Hi guys, Cody here and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back feeder fishing, trying out some Sonia baits. As you can see, we're in the middle of the heat wave, lovely weather, although all the fish are on the surface. I'm going to reposition my rods shortly. I'm going to bring them both to this side because I've got a lot of fish in this area on the surface. So if I can try and time it right, I might be able to get a couple. So before I do that, I'm going to talk you through my peg and show you all the new features that I've got. New tackle box, cradle, stuff like that. And yeah, let's have a look. So let's start at the top. So this is the Nash cradle that I've gone for. Just makes photos a bit easier and things like that. Really good cradle, makes it a lot easier for your fish. Over here I've got my chair as usual, my backpack full of stuff, my Rubens, EVA tray, my cocoons which are holding my other glasses, and my Nash medikit, carp care, just in case. Over here we've got my two rods positioned fairly near because I don't know if you can see, but there's fish all over my peg. There's one there. There's one just black blob there. They're all over at the minute. Of course, we've got the natives at both sides. Over here we've got my bait. I've got some pop-ups. What I'm doing with these is I'm cutting them down, and so when I cast out, my hook will fall really nicely, to try and get that little bit extra time falling down from the surface to try and get as many carp as possible. Then going to my ducks just flew into my line. It's nice. Going back to this, over here I've got my baiting needles, bander pellet, tool, disgorgers. I've got my Guru method mold for these. Over here I've got my Preston feeders. Now the reason I've split these is because these are 15 gram and these are 30, and these are what I'm using today, just to try and help cast. Got my Preston rigs, Guru rigs, and Drennan rig, and some quick change feeds. But that is my tackle box. It's the Guru Fusion range, and it is really good tackle box. You can take all these compartments out, and it is very useful. Over here I've got my Nash cutters and one of my baiting needles. Over here I've got some spam as a hook bait, my catapult, and my ground bait, and of course my net. Rod wise I'm using the the Kamazan feeder, method feeder, lovely rod, cast really nice. Matched with my old Shimano, I think it's the 4000 RB, it is. That is one of my feeder rods. I've got a Preston butt rest on it and a Guru feeder rest, the Guru Reaper. And then to the left side of the peg I've got my Garbolino Ultima, with the Preston feeder rest. Then down here I've got the Inertia. It's a bit messy because I just cast, but it's the Inertia 320. It's a big enough reel for what I need, and yeah, that is my rod. So that's the peg, guys. I'm going to cast out now. I'll see you in just a second. So guys, just got my first fish. All his spines are up. He's a very angry fish. He's been in water a while. Well, I got to set up. There he is. I cast under this tree over there, and next news, I was setting up my other rod to recast. Next news, rod flies off the feeder rest, hits the floor, almost goes into the lake, and then I got this thing on feeder, which was a lovely fight. It was a proper fight. I had to make sure I didn't put too much tension on because he was trying his best to get off hook. I lost one earlier, but this one made up for it. It's getting back in the lake. guys. Fish number 2. Same place, under the tree. Got another fish. Violent take again. The net broke, so we're all a bit chaotic. I tried to get the take on video, but it was just under the tree, going like mad, so I had to get it, and I couldn't hit the video in time. I'll try and get the next take on, but let's get this fish back in water. He keeps trying to swim off. Here it is, guys, third fish. This time I didn't get him under the tree. I got this one straight out and he took me all around the lake. But see if we can make it an even number. There he is, guys. Fish number 4. And I got him under my little tree under there. Wasn't as violent of a take as the first one, who took my rod off the feeder rest. But it's a decent little fishy. So let's get him back in the water. So guys, I packed up now. I forgot to do the outro when I was at the lake. I got back to the shed and I went, oh, outro. So I'm doing the outro now. Overall today I got four fish, mainly in the evening because about 2 o'clock it got really warm and I wasn't getting any bites. All the fish were on the surface, so I decided to just pack up and head back to the house. And then later on, about what, maybe 6:30ish, went back out and got 4 fish. Only lost 2 today, so that wasn't too bad. But they were all really good takes. Like the first fish, it took it so fast it made the rod hit the side of the Guru Reaper, bounce it over and knock it off. I was very lucky to catch that rod. But the Garbellino rod, the Kaizen meth feeder, both did really good. Personally, I like both of them equal because they're both really good rods. Nice to cast, nice to play. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more videos. If you like feeder fishing, give us a thumbs up. And I'll see you on the bank soon. Anglingmadlad, out.